What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've come to pick the tyres up for the drift day and we're going to do a little bit of work on the E36. Ben's got a seat for it and then we've got it running properly now, tied it up a bit, and then we're going to look at adding power. So we've got E36 build content coming. I'm going to do a bits now and then it's coming out of mine to get a load more work done. Stay tuned. So the plan is, now that we've got it actually in the thing, we've got the issue with the micro switches, so if anyone has anything like that we can work out. Get the cooling system bled through because we don't think that's bled. We need some new headlights, if anyone knows anything. We're going to straighten the front end out, we're going to tidy it up. We've got some rust to do underneath and some brake pipes from where it caught the trailer when I last used it. And then we've got the rust repair. So something we found straight away is these windows don't go up any more than this. We've tried resetting the park. We think it's the micro switch, but the micro switch is actually working. What do you think that is? Is it a common fault? So that was a shitload of aftermarket wiring and stuff under here for a central locking system and remote start. That's now in the bin. There may be a bit of rust on this vehicle. So there you go guys, Ben's been hard at work today on a Friday. I've been at work myself. Benjamin didn't get you the videos of any work though, so you've got no fun with that. But that's a quick recap of the hard work he's done. As you can see, lots of rust, but we got the windows fixed last time. And yeah, front calipers are seized. One rear caliper's seized, the other one I replaced previously. Needs front disc and pads on front as well. And see if we can unseize the coilovers. But other than that, stay tuned for more progress on the E36. Here's the list. Enjoy guys.